Hi skaters, today we're going to be talking about doing a fakie 360 on the flat and on transitions. I'm just learning these, so it's kind of entertaining to watch. We think it's authentic to learn as I'm learning. Hopefully you guys can find this helpful. A fakie 360 is where you're, first of all, fakie is traveling backwards. You're rolling, going backwards. And a fakie 360 is basically you're rolling backwards, you jump to whatever way you go, right or left, you do a 360 and you land right back in the same position that you took off from. So I learned these by mistake actually. I'm having a hard time doing frontside 360s, so I said let's try the fakie. So I'm out here on the flat one day, trying them on the flat, and I discovered they were actually easier for me. Some things are weird like that. So I'll try a few here on the flat, I'll explain it, and then we'll go to the ramps. So basically when you're traveling fakie, you're low, feet staggered, you're looking where you want to go, your arms are, you know, that way, whichever way, or this way. And when you're ready to go, you just load your feet and you jump and you torque your head and your shoulders and you spin and do a 360 hopefully. So let's do one. One like this. All the way around. So they're not the best again, but I'm managing to get it done. Going like this, look where you want to go. And around. Okay. Once you got the confidence to do that, maybe you want to try it on the ramps. Let's go over to the ramps. Come on, Jazz. So you want to get maybe a little half pipe like this where it's not super vert. And basically what I ended up doing was doing some fakie 180s first. You do what you want, but it helped me to kind of figure out how to eyeball it out, like spot your landing. Because you want to be able to spot your landing when you're doing this. So try a couple fakie 180s. So maybe just start pumping this, you know, back and forth on the transition. You don't have to go high. And when you're ready, just do a 180. A nice soft 180, right? And this helps you spot that landing. This helps you spot it. And once you're comfortable with doing those, you may want to just try to go for it. But at some point, you're going to have to just go for it and commit. That's why I wear my pads. So minimize the impact and damage. So we'll try it. See if I can do this without falling. So again, I just started to learn how to do these. So just go up, not too high. And when you're ready, you're just going to torque your arms and your head. You just kind of spin it. It's so fun. That was sloppy, but I got through it. I think it's important to use the ramp. As you're going up that ramp, fakie, swing those arms like that and torque your head, and it'll really help you go around. You know, you don't want to jump or take off too early. Use the ramp for your, you know, for assistance. Let's try it again. Barely got around. But again, I'm learning these, so try it again.
Oh,
there we go. See, I got a lot higher and kind of stomped that landing.
Yeah.
It's so much fun. Try it again. Yeah. So fun.
Wow.
Doing those. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys and you guys can figure out how to do this and unlock this trick. I just want to help you guys learn, so hopefully you can. If you liked it, hit that like button. For more content, we'd love to hear your suggestions. We appreciate you guys checking out our channel. Until next time, we'll see you later. Have a good day.